Right now, overhead, there is a pattern unfolding that feels both deeply old, ancient, and urgently present. It is a shape in the sky that has shown up over and over again in the long story of human life, marking times of real challenge and asking for something true, something essential from the human spirit. Today, we're going to sit with this pattern. We'll look at the meeting of Venus and Saturn in the zodiac sign of Pisces, lined up with the North Node. This has been building for quite some time. Think of it as less as a set path written in stone, and more as a specific kind of energy, a pattern, a mix of forces that is shaping the human journey right now. What we'll explore is what these energies mean and how they've appeared before in the turning points of history, what they might be asking of us right here, right now. It's less about telling some far off future the next time this is going to happen is long in front of us. It's more about understanding the current time, the flow we're all swimming in, so we can move through it with a little more ease, a little more clear purpose, and maybe a little more heart. So settle in, maybe light a candle, pour a cup of tea. Let's just breathe together for a moment. And then we'll step into this. We'll follow the threads of this pattern through time, see how it holds a mirror to some of the strains and shifts we're seeing today, and maybe find some wisdom for walking through these times. At the heart of this pattern is the meeting of two strong forces, Venus and Saturn. Now, Venus, you know, is often spoken about in terms of love, beauty, and connection. It's the planet of what we value, what we hold dear, how we relate to each other, and how we seek peace and harmony in the world. Venus speaks to our affections, our social bond, the things we find lovely, beautiful, worthwhile. But when Venus meets Saturn, it's not just about soft beauty or easy connection. Saturn is the force of structure, hard work, duty, responsibility, and what is real, what is solid. It's the bringer of tests, limits, and the hard edges of the world we can touch and see. Saturn asks about what endures, what is built to last, what we are accountable for. So when Venus and Saturn come together, it's like loving kindness meets reality. It's the archetype of compassion and duty joining hands. This meeting speaks to love tested by time and hardship, especially because Venus is in her morning phase right now. If you were to go out in the morning before sunrise, you could see her high in the sky. Our values, our relationships, our connections, they come up against real limits, against duties, against tests that ask for strength and sticking with it. It asks us, what are the values you will stand firm on even when things get hard? What connections are built to last? And what needs the steady hand of sticking with it, of showing up consistently? This meeting also involves establishing clear lines,